Hi everyone, this is our bowls we made, and so subscribe to this video, and you can put like this on, and it can.
So what is it for? What are you gonna put in it?
I can put a pen in. I can put magic.
Ooh, what is that?
This is what I got from my friend from Easter.
That's so cool.
I made this in my nana.
Oh, awesome. You got a nom nom. Does it work?
Yes.
Oh, it rumbles. What else does it do?
It rocks.
It's gonna get caught in the table. Okay, what else? What else do you have in there? Bowl you made. What is that? Teeny popper? Was that what that was? Emoji. So this is what these bowls, you can put in these cool bowls we made. If you look at our last video, you'll see how we made them.
Yeah.
And it's really fun.
No, this is the only video we did. Call me from my little one. And I got my baby.
Yeah, so if you go to our last video, you'll see how we made these cool bowls. They're really fun for kids, really easy. You just gotta get these beads.
And you just set it for 15 minutes. If it doesn't look like the bottom of this, then you will put it for like a 5 more minutes, or
You wait a little longer.
how many minutes that you want.
Yeah, they don't take too long. It's just depending on the bowl size and how hot the oven is, and it takes and then cooling off time.
Yes, so like anything can work.
But they're really cool, huh?
Yeah.
This is her brother's bowl, Toby.
Yeah.
He didn't want to be in this video.
Yes. And we feel bad.
But you can put so much stuff into it. What is that? Is that your little carrier? You're hiding everything? Is that your storage?
Yes. I put.
Whoa, you got a lot of cool things. So what do you like? You like that storage container, or do you like the bowls better?
I like the bowl.
What colors? You got so many colors in there. Look at the texture of it. It's really cool.
From earlier.
And the bottom is really cool because it's really smooth.
Yes, I love these.
What are you gonna do with the new bowl that we just made?
I'm gonna put lots of stuff.
What kind of stuff?
Like everything. Like anything I want. Like, we can make that one a fruit bowl.
Yeah, we could make it a fruit bowl. Put all the fruit in it, the bananas, apples.
Yeah.
So is this a good thing, fun activity?
It's a good thing and a fun activity. And let me guys show you something that I play with. Pen or anything with this on it, you can hook it up. And then you can
that's cool.
Like this. You can put it like this, and you can put this. Any dollar and anybody you want to put in here, and then you can make it. Show yourself, show me where you are, down through the door. Don't let the booty baba.
Is that how the song goes?
Yeah.
I like her microphone.
I am a stick.
That's a stick microphone. Yeah, that's cool. So is this a fun thing to make during this being stuck at home?
Yeah, and it was a fun thing to make, but we didn't make it around the quarantine.
That is awesome. Oh, look who came. Tobias. What is this bowl?
You guys like the bowls, like this channel, give a thumbs up and watch Trinity and Beyond and Medicine and Beyond today. See ya!